Hi, my name is Gary Gutenberg. I'm the founder of B2 World. I have a question for you. Are you or your company interested in pursuing U.S. business objectives from outside of the United States? Well, if that's the case, I can imagine you may be an entrepreneur or a founder of an innovative company. Maybe you're an executive of a mid-size or large non-U.S. entity. You could be a shareholder, a board member, or even an attorney outside of the United States that's assisting in some capacity a non-U.S. entity with some aspect of interfacing actually or potentially with the U.S. market. That sounds familiar, and you're in this kind of context. I can imagine you're experiencing a sense of excitement about the U.S., but also concern. And that, in my experience, is exactly the mindset you need to have to succeed on the U.S. market. You should be excited. You should be excited about the immense opportunities for success in the United States in terms of the receptivity of the U.S. market to foreign products, services, solutions, also the wealth of the U.S. market, the B2B customer potential base, the end consumer potential customer base. It's absolutely massive. There's a lot to be excited about. Simultaneously, you should be concerned. The approaches typically taken outside of the United States from a business and legal perspective, they don't apply to the US. You need to adapt and localize what you're doing with competent help for the US market. Furthermore, if you make a mistake on the US market, the damage profile is typically a lot higher in the United States than outside of the United States. So there's a lot to be excited about, but also there's a fair amount of risk. The good news, however, is that most, if not all, risks, business-wise and legal-wise, on the U.S. market, they're readily identifiable and understandable. You just have to do the work up front. So why am I telling you this? Well, I want to help you do that work up front. I want to orient you when it comes to the business and legal issues that you should be considering grappling with, reconciling before you engage in U.S. business. So I've developed a U.S. business and legal guide for 2021. It's absolutely free and it's substantial. It's 169 pages, 26 chapters, and it is all practical. It's not written like a lawyer would typically write. It's written in normal speak so that you can readily understand what it is that you need to be thinking about, and you can take immediate steps to comprehend and improve upon your entry into the United States or any deals you might be doing with U.S. parties. And it's, of course, not everything that you need. You should always engage competent U.S. legal counsel. If you'd like my help, feel free to reach out. But nevertheless, this book is completely free. You just download it from b2world.com/books. You don't even need to register. You can access it. The only thing that I ask is if you find the book useful, and I believe it really is, please share it. Please post it on Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram on your social media and tag Gary Gutenberg and B2 World. And I think you'll find it very useful. There's even a chapter specifically dedicated to tech companies because so many businesses these days are tech-based. And it's a checklist, everything that you need to be thinking about before you engage in any U.S. business. Do the work up front. I want to help you do that. There's also links in the book to very useful videos, contract templates, and even U.S. governmental sites. Well, that's about it. I just wanted to say this book is now available. I'm very excited about it. Please have a look, and I hope it helps you achieve those really wonderful opportunities that I'm sure are absolutely awaiting you on the U.S. market. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.